Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Paul Bean.
Let's take another look at that advisory. So this is for the most northern or the southernmost counties of Montana, the northern border of Idaho, and of course along the Jackson area of the Wyoming border as well. It could be anywhere from 3 to 6, which is what we're seeing in the Central Mountains, to up to 24 inches of snow over the next 2 days, which is only in the Sawtooths. So as you move towards this northern area, expect to see more as well as you go into Montana. We're going to also take a look at that winter weather warning, which is a little bit further north into Montana, as well as far enough down near Jackson, and that is including 12 to 24 inches, and in that 2-hour period, 12 to 24 inches roughly goes to about 1 to 2 inches per hour, so that it will be coming down heavy at times. And of course, that as we look at the radar, you'll also see that pattern. You can see that there is a streak of snow across Island Park to Jackson, and that's about as south as it goes for today. You can see Idaho Falls just out of reach of that snow wave, Pocatello well below it, and that's going to continue what we see for the next 2 days. While Pocatello could see a chance of mix here and there, it's mostly scattered, whereas Idaho Falls is north enough that that wave is going to start to hit it with about a 50% chance at most of seeing that snow move through. I'm going to zoom it out. You can see where that moisture is coming from, that heavy river across the northern states from Washington all the way down to Wyoming. That's going to continue to move through over the next 2 days, which is why that moisture is coming right from the Pacific Ocean into our region. Taking a look at that future tracker, you'll notice it does dig down a little bit further tomorrow. This is the morning, and it starts to back off, and right at the end of the day, it comes back down again for Saturday, and Saturday is where you're going to see some of the worst of that snow. And like I said, a couple of those scattered shots are going to hit out of that, but it's majority in that northern region. Snow for most and clouds, or snow for some and clouds for most today. Idaho Falls could see a little bit of that snow for tonight, but clouds for most, especially down near Pocatello. Snow pushes through in the Central Mountains with temperatures right on the freezing line and in those mid-20s for tonight in the highlands in western Wyoming, with that snow continuing. Moving into tomorrow, a little bit more of that snow, 27 in Island Park, 36 in Jackson. Over in the Central Mountains, a snow-rain combo still, 43 in Challis, 42 in Salmon. Then finally for that Snake River Plain, mixed to the north, but for the southern half, seeing clouds still warming up too, 45 for Pocatello, 41 in Idaho Falls. That's the warmest temperature we've seen in quite a while. That 7-day forecast, seeing a lot of that snow clear out immediately after Saturday. Of course, that is a mix for Pocatello, but cooling down as soon as that mix clears out. 31 for Sunday, Monday, and 32 for Tuesday. So back below freezing once this next wave moves through. Idaho Falls very similar, a little bit stronger of a chance of seeing that snow rain mix, but then cooling down into those mid-20s. So it's going to be another cold day, or a cold week moving forward. Teton area, it takes a little longer for it to clear out, but that snow clears out on Sunday, and those temperatures do drag down. You can see those single digits at night with those mid-20s for during the day. Then finally for the Central Mountains, that mix on Friday, cooling down for Saturday, cooling down even further for Sunday with a 25-degree, and it's going to be another cold week. And of course, we're getting close to the end of the year, and we've seen a couple good snowstorms this year, but we are above that yearly normal for precipitation since January 1st. True or false? We'll have the answer coming up.